Alright, so second video on the fridge frame rebuild. So as you can see, I have it completely rebuilt, 2x4, all the way from the bottom to the top, over and back down. The only thing I didn't really care too much about was having to put screws in the fascia, but you know, a small price to pay to keep it sturdy and from coming apart again. So another little thing I'm doing is we are going to go from this and this on the inside of the fridge to a larger diameter screw with a washer and a small piece of 1/4 inch inner diameter fuel line, which you can get at any hardware store or auto supply store, basically to fill in these gaps right here. So far so good. This thing is rock solid. Thanks for watching. Please leave comments at the bottom if you have any questions or possible concerns if you've done this before. Thanks a lot.